Have you ever noticed that your Outlook desktop email signature doesn't sync with your mobile app? In this video, I will show you how to seamlessly sync your email signature across Outlook desktop, web, and mobile. So no matter what device you are using, your email always have a same professional signature. So if you want to know how to create a clickable HTML signature, I have created a detailed video. You can check this out and learn a step-by-step tutorial. Now to create a global signature, first you need to get into the admin section. So I am on my Outlook on the web, and on the top left corner you will see this is app launcher. Click on it and simply click on this admin option. Now in the admin section, click on show all and now select exchange and you are redirected to the different web. Now here you need to click on this mail flow drop down and you will see rules. Click on it. Now here you need to create a new rule. So first click on add a rule. Now click on apply disclaimer. Now here you have to set up the rule. First you have to name it. So I name it signature global. Now second is apply this rule if. Select the drop down if you are the sender. Now select the one is this person. Now you have to select the email address which is linked with your account here. So I have few email addresses, but I select this first one. Hit save. If you don't select this account, this rule will be applied to all the accounts you have added here. So what I have to do is to apply the disclaimer. So click on enter text and I want to append the disclaimer. Now what I have to do, I can simply create a signature over here, but I want to insert the HTML code over here. So I have already created an HTML code. I simply copy this code and paste over here. Save it and my code is saved over here. Now to complete it, I have to select another option which is select one here. And if I don't want to append the signature, I simply need to select ignore. Hit save. Now hit next. So here I don't want to do anything. Simply leave as it is and hit next. Now your signature is perfect over here. Hit finish. Now it will take a moment to save your signature. Now your signature is saved. Click on done. Now the next step is you need to enable the signature. You will see your signature is currently disabled. So simply click on it. Now here you need to enable it. You have to click the toggle and your signature is enabled. Now all set. First again go to your Outlook. Now here what you have to do is to disable all your related signature which is already linked with this email address. So I go to the files, go to options. Now I go to mail and here is my signature. I check out with my email address. So there is no signature linked to my email address. Now what next I have to do is to simply create an email. So I have also selected my email address. Now I send an email to myself to show you. I keep the message as text mail. Now simply hit send. Now I will receive an email in this email address in a moment, and that email which I receive in this email address consists of that signature what we have already added in the admin. So when I double click on it, see that email is received and my signature which I have added in the admin in a HTML format is available over here. So I will also show you in my mobile app. So first I am on my iPhone and I search for Outlook. Here is my Outlook. Now I need to select my account. Click on new email. Now here I will type my own email address. So here is my email address. Simply type test mail 2. Send. and you will see my mail is sent. Now I will show you in my another email inbox. This is my email. See, test mail 2. Click on it and you will see your signature is automatically available in the email. So that way you can very easily add HTML signature in the admin backend section, and that signature will automatically apply in all your platforms like desktop, web, and mobile. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.